calculate the volume of H2O collected at the end of the reaction if 500 gram of octane is reacted. So we're basically going from mass A to volume B. Mass A to moles B to volume B. So we're basically just going. Start off with what you're given. So 5 CaH16. So now to get the grams into moles, we have to divide by molar mass using our triangles. So per 1 mole CaH16, there is 112 grams of CaH16. So, and then you do mole ratio, because now we're at, oh, this cancels out, sorry. So now we're at moles A. So now using this one with the blue underline, so this is 1 mole, and this has 8 moles of H2O. So now I have to go with moles B using the mole ratio. Oh, sorry. Per 1 mole. So now we're at moles B, so now I have to go to volume B by using triangles again. So 22.4 liters per 1 mole of H2O. And that equals, so now, oh, sorry, I forgot to cancel my units. So moles of that, and then these moles cancel out. So now it's this in your calculator, which is 800.0 liters of H2O. And there is your answer.